about how vines grow, how we make wine, and the best way to drink wine. I'm going to ask you various questions, or get you to ask me questions so we can learn together, yeah? Which way do you think I'm pointing? Which way is that? North, south?
This is south, isn't it?
Yeah. It's more like southeast. But
Southeast.
I think in this country particularly, vines grow facing south down a hill.
No idea.
Sorry, what's the question?
Sun.
Because of the sun rising
Because of
on
the sunshine, yeah. For any plant to grow successfully, you need to get sunshine onto its leaves. Yeah? Anybody know the name of the cell that makes a plant green?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll. And what goes on in the chlorophyll cell?
Oh yeah.
Photosynthesis.
Yeah.
What's photosynthesis?
Yeah, it takes the light and energy from the photons basically.
Yeah, it
turns into-
takes the light, that energizes the cell, and the cell takes out of the air a very important gas. It's the basis of all life. What gas?
Nitrogen.
Oxygen.
No.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon is the basis of
Basis.
all life. And lots of things that we know of that make up plants or bodies, things like amino acids, proteins, starches, fats, and sugar, at the core of them they've got carbon.
Carbon, yeah.
And so carbon is drawn out the air. Now, when you've got a plant like a vine in this country, the weather's only just good enough. Yeah?
That's good, huh?
So we've got to give the chance, every best possible chance you can get, yeah? So that means getting the green leaves, the chlorophyll cells, open to the sunshine. We're also on a slope, and do you think a slope is good? Why?
Yeah,
slope
good.
is good.
Why?
Enough sunshine.
Yeah,
Because
good.
the
The sun comes
sunshine
out at
is
an
on
angle, so you get more sunshine on there. So if you were to plant a vineyard, say on north-facing slopes like over there, it wouldn't work. It just
Work in
would
southern
not.
hemisphere.
Yeah.
Not
In the
northern.
southern hemisphere, yeah. In the southern hemisphere,
Argentina
quite
and Chile,
right.
yeah.
Vines are on
Yeah.
northern-facing
Yeah.
slopes, yeah,
Yeah.
because that's where the
That's
sun
sun,
is, yeah. And so what we do here is we've designed these plants downhill, south-facing, but then we've designed them with, you can see, lots of trellis wires. So the growth all spreads out, so we've got as much leaf being able to see the sunshine as possible. Yeah? If you visit a vineyard, say, in the south of France or Spain, you might see vines that are almost like in little bushes. Now that's okay where you've got a dry climate and a sunny climate the whole time, but it wouldn't work here. We need to spread it out, and we need to kind of form almost like a hedge. Yeah? And all of this growth here has just come from 2 bits of wood. I'm touching it there. One that way. One that way. All of this green, this year's growth, has just come from 2 bits of wood, like that, coming from the head of the vine. So all of these green shoots, the leaves, obviously the grapes, have all happened since the beginning of May. Now what we've done here is, in the winter all of this would have gone very woody and stiff. And we'll cut out 90% of that, right? And we'll cut out 90% of it. Can you have a go with those shears? Yeah, the shears. And cut. No, that's it. Good. We cut out with shears the thick wood, and then we keep just a few canes like this. Yeah. And what we end up doing is we've limited the number of shoots that it can come from. If we left it and didn't prune, we'd have lots and lots and lots more shoots. We might have lots more bunches of grapes, but those bunches would be small, poor quality, and very poor juice. By cutting down and only making them shoot very vigorously from a few shoots, then we've made it vigorous shoots, and we've got bigger bunches of grapes.